When you hit the wall, your muscles aren't just running out of fuel. Your nervous system is actually losing the ability to coordinate the running motion. We call this phenomenon kinematic breakdown. As metabolic fatigue sets in, your brain simplifies the movement pattern to save neural energy, causing you to revert to less efficient, defensive movement habits. This creates a dangerous feedback loop known as the economy death spiral. As your mechanics degrade, your energy cost per step increases, which accelerates fatigue, causing mechanics to degrade further. Motion capture data from marathoners reveals specific markers of this breakdown. While speed decreases, we see a disproportionate spike in ground contact time and a collapse in cadence stability. The most common structural failure is the posterior collapse. As the deep core and hip flexors tire, the pelvis tilts backward, making it look like the runner is sitting in an invisible chair. This seated position forces your foot to land in front of your center of mass. This introduces high braking forces, effectively fighting your own forward momentum with every step. Interestingly, elite runners aren't immune to fatigue, but they maintain their kinematic pattern longer. Their form doesn't change drastically. They simply produce less power within the same shape. To build this durability, we must treat running as a skill, not just fitness. You cannot think your way out of fatigue with complex cues. You need a simple reset protocol. When you feel your form slipping, don't try to fix 5 things at once. Execute a posture reset every 10 minutes during long runs to realign your chassis. Once posture is reset, focus on a single metric, cadence. As fatigue hits, cadence naturally drops. Fighting to keep your rhythm up reduces the ground contact time that causes leg damage. If you struggle to maintain form late in runs, the issue is often structural capacity. Core work isn't about abs. It's about holding the pelvis neutral when the legs are tired. During your next long run, practice fatigue inoculation. In the last 20% of the run, ignore your pace and dedicate 100% of your mental energy to maintaining a silent, quick turnover. Running durability comes from making your efficient form the path of least resistance. When the brain gets tired, it should default to good mechanics, not collapse into bad ones. Train the skill, hold the form, finish strong.